My name's Avas Nawaz, been a member of the Currency Movers team now for just over a year. Got to say, by far the best decision I've ever made in my life. Far better than chasing any academic degree or a formal career as one would think. It's been a game changer, changed my life, opened up a whole new world for me, a new career, all done from the comfort of my own home. I just cannot say thank you enough, Ahmed and the team. You guys have been incredible, really helped a person develop in the understanding and learning of the Forex market, and just wanted to say thank you to everyone, and I hope to see you all soon.
Hi, my name is Niamh Loughery. I've been a part of Currency Movers for about a year now, and it's been the best decision that I have ever made. I just want to thank this amazing team for everything that I have learned within the business, and developing my trading skills and wealth building skills. So if you're thinking about getting started, do not hesitate, don't procrastinate, just make the decision. It will be the best decision that you can ever possibly make.
Hi, my name is Tim. I've been a part of Currency Movers for the last 2 weeks now. In these 2 weeks I've tripled my account. And while you're learning, you get to earn your money. If you're in doubt to join Currency Movers, please give it a go and you won't regret it. Thank you.
My name's Jenna Murphy and I'm 31, and I've been a part of Currency Movers now for around 5 months, and I never knew anything about trading, and now I'm working on my own strategy. The platform is insane, it's opened my mind up massively. I'm earning an extra source of income. Right now with the signals and my education, I'm making between £20 and £50 a day. When I say a day, that's not even in a day, that can be less than an hour. I go to a place of work sometimes like for 7 and 8 hours to get that, and I'm sitting on my backside in the comforts of my own home, sometimes sleeping and making money. This company is insane. It's really changed my life in so many ways, and if you're thinking about getting in, there's nothing to think about. You really just need to get on board. You just don't want to work and retire when you're 68, when you can actually jump on board and learn a skill that will pay you forever, anywhere in the world, in your own comforts. Like, there's nothing to think about, just get started now.
Hi, my name is Andre from the Netherlands. I've joined Team Currency Movers for 2 months, and it's been the best decision I've made. I was trading on my own for 6 months, and I was barely profitable or break even at the end of the month. Team Currency Movers is really a game changer. Let me tell you one thing. You do not fail in life when there is a lie that has been told to you. You typically fail in life when someone told you the truth and you choose not to believe it.
Hi everybody, my name is Elias Jama. I've been a part of Currency Move for a month now, heading in my second. It's been the best decision I made so far, hands down. I gotta give a big shout out for the team. Thank you, Currency Mover. I've learned a lot, earned a lot as well. I earned around 700 to 800 euros. Thanks, man, thanks.
Hello, dear people all over the world. Deborah here from the Netherlands. Yesterday I showed my results. I wanted to share it with you. About 2 weeks ago I started with 125 euros, and now it's more than 1100. So I will show you so you can see it. And these results are blowing me away.
Hi, my name is Naim Ahmed, and I've been with Currency Movers for 2 weeks right now, and it's been the best decision I've made so far. And things they show you, man, like, it's crazy. These guys will open your eyes. They have so many strategies to follow, and it's instant you'll make money. Trust me, I've made around £600 in just under 2 weeks. So I'd like to thank Ahmed and his team for everything that they have done for me. And if you're thinking about joining, do not hesitate, join right now.
Hey everybody, this is Olaf from Bozekel. I'm from Alkmaar in Holland. I've been a member of Currency Movers for quite a few weeks now, Especially thankful for the educational videos, the signals, and I've been very successful with the 15 pips harmonic scanner strategy. So do not hesitate, take part in currency movers, and love you all. Thank you.
Hi everyone, my name is Nikki. I've been with Currency Movers a week now. My only regret is not starting any sooner. It's the best decision I've ever made. I'd like to thank this amazing team for helping me towards this journey to financial freedom. Now, my first week with Currency Movers, I made more than 250 pips via the signals, which is more than double the amount of pips I was catching previously, which has made my account much healthier. Now, for those of you looking to get started, I suggest to start immediately.
Hi guys, my name is Liam Downing and I'm from Glasgow, and I've been a part of Currency Movers for about a week now. I think it's the best decision I've ever made, and I can't thank the team, Ahmed and the whole team enough for giving me all these great trades and signals. The trades have been about 90% profitable, and if they do lose, it's not by much, it's only pennies you're losing. So I think you guys should, if you're thinking on join up as soon as you can and start making money straight away from just copying and pasting. Thanks.